Welcome back to Corner Forge. So a couple of weeks ago I got an alert on my phone that there was a power hammer for sale locally. Turns out it's this old girl, which is 200 weight Alldays and Onions. She's 1937, so she's got a few years on her, but she's pretty much as good as the day she was bought. I actually used to own this hammer, and 3-4 years ago I had to sell it, unfortunately. But she's home now, and we thought we'd show you how I was going to go back into the workshop. So we're up in the forge now. This is where the power hammer used to live, and it's where it's going black. I've got 8 cubic meters of concrete in the ground. It's 6 foot by 6 foot and 6 foot down. There's a steel frame in the center, and unfortunately when I sold the machine we hacked it all out and got rid of all the steelwork that was in the ground apart from what was sticking up. So last week I got the breaker out and I smashed up all the concrete to actually reveal the old bits of steel pipe that used to be in the ground, and I've cut some pieces to extend it up to the finished height, and so I'm going to weld these into the ground now, and then I'm going to put the fixing plates on top and build a steel frame around the outside. That's some sheet steel. We're going to fill it up full of concrete, and then bring that hammer in and drop her in place, and hopefully she'll be as good as she used to be. Okay, so that's our steel frame shuttering. We're going to go mix up some concrete in the rain, by the looks of it, and get the foundations poured in. We're going to leave this area completely empty because that's where the anvil's going to sit, and we've reinforced around the bottom with a bit of a large angle iron skirt so that we can wedge it in situ with wooden blocks, and we can remove it and adjust it if we need to, which is important. And hopefully all our holes line up. So we're going to mix up some concrete, and then hopefully tomorrow, all going well, we can put a power hammer on top. So let's get on with this. Well, we've finally got the hammer in place, got it all wired up. It's running. It's not running as sweet as I would like. There's quite a little bit of fine tuning. I think there might be some issues with the valve block. I've got kill or not come together. So yeah, it needs a little bit of refining, but I'm pleased to have it back installed in the workshop. It was quite a bit of work getting this in place, and it chews through 2-inch square bar as if it's butter. So yeah, I'm going to be using this a lot in my next big job, and it's great having the big hammer up and running again. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Born to Forge. Cheers guys.